Dive into our commodity space and see what is playing out. What's the playbook looking like this afternoon? Well, gold, silver is in green, copper on that same line, but platinum is on the other side, but not selling too badly. $1,464.48 is what an ounce of that commodity is going for. But let's start from gold, which is $3,354.30, positive 9.00, and it's 0.27% in percentage points in positive. That's in green. For silver, it is 0.88% in green, selling at $38.64 an ounce, and positive 0.34. Copper is 554.75, that's $554.75, positive 3.50, while it's in green 0.63%. Only platinum is looking the other way, 0.14 in negative, but the price, like I said earlier, is not looking too bad. $1,464.48 per metric ton of that commodity. While for corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton, corn 1.25% in positive plus 5.25, and it's $426.25. Wheat $537.50, also positive 0.75%, while it's positive here for 4.00 and 5.25 on this side. Now, cocoa is $7,309. This selling price is not looking too good for this Friday afternoon. Well, the back and forth, of course, around the commodity space is hitting hard on cocoa, though it's doing positive when you look at the percentage points. But looking at this, it is not doing well at all, I must say. For cotton, it's $68.91, and it's a 0.11%. And for cotton, it's down 0.16%. Well, let's take a dive to global markets and see what the market is looking like this afternoon. Asian shares tracked Wall Street higher today as United States economic data and corporate earnings offset tariff worries. Now, MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside of Japan rose 0.8%. That's the first here in green. It's highest since late 2021, bringing the weekly gain to 1.7% as Japan's Nikkei slipped 0.2%. Down in red. The yuan was about 148.54 per dollar, down about 0.7% this week, after polls showed Prime Minister Shigre Siba's coalition was in danger of losing its majority in the election on Sunday. Well, Chinese blue chips rose 0.3%, well, that's CSI 300. Hong Kong Hang Seng gained 1.2%. That market is also staying in green. Now, the Taipei-listed shares of TSMC, the world's main producer of advanced AI chip, rallied 2.2%. We had that report yesterday showing the performance of TSMC's stock and, selling of AI chips in that market. It's been doing pretty well because it's now needed in almost all facets of that economy. But let's go to crude oil prices now, where extended gains are today underpinned by supply concerns following drone attacks on northern Iraqi oil fields and tight market fundamentals. Amid healthy summer demands, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude is positive, selling at $67.84, 0.44% in positive. Brent crude futures sells for $69.82, 0.43% in positive, and Bonny Light sells for $78.62 per barrel, with a downward direction of 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $69.93 per barrel. That is also down 0.53%.